If you're a B2B marketer looking for a powerful tool to generate more qualified leads, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Outgrow for B2B lead generation, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because I'll share an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. Outgrow is a no-code platform that allows you to create interactive content like quizzes, assessments, calculators, and polls to engage your website visitors and collect valuable data. Think of it as a way to supercharge your lead generation by offering prospects something interactive in exchange for their information. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps you gather highly targeted leads that are more likely to convert. Now here's why Outgrow works wonders for B2B lead generation. When you use tools like quizzes or assessments, you're offering something valuable right off the bat. This leads to better engagement because your leads are actively participating instead of passively browsing through static content. And guess what? The data you collect from these interactions can provide you with insights into the needs and interests of your potential clients, giving you an edge when it comes to personalization. You can easily create customized content tailored to the specific needs of your B2B audience. Want to create a ROI calculator that shows the potential savings of using your service? Outgrow has got you covered. Or maybe you want to build an assessment that qualifies leads based on their answers? It's all possible with Outgrow's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. No coding skills required, making it perfect for marketers of all levels. One of the best features of Outgrow is its ability to integrate with your existing marketing tools, whether that's your CRM, email marketing software, or even tools like Google Sheets. This means the leads you capture aren't just sitting in Outgrow, they're seamlessly pushed into your funnel, allowing you to follow up with personalized emails or other forms of outreach. The beauty of using interactive content is that it's not only engaging, but it also makes your audience feel like they've received something personalized. This builds trust, which is crucial in B2B sales. When your leads trust you, they're much more likely to convert. And with Outgrow's detailed analytics, you can track exactly how well your content is performing, which questions are leading to the most conversions, and tweak your strategy accordingly. Now, if you're looking for an easy way to start generating high-quality leads for your business, Outgrow is a no-brainer. It's an intuitive, easy-to-use tool that can scale with your business needs. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Outgrow adapts to your goals. Here's the best part. You can start using Outgrow for free. We've partnered with them to offer an exclusive extended free trial through the first link in the description below. This means you get to try out all of Outgrow's powerful features without any risk. So, if you're serious about B2B lead generation, get started with Outgrow today and watch as your leads become more engaged and more likely to convert. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click that link below to claim your free trial. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the other resources we have linked to help boost your lead generation efforts.